Okay, so I'm going to show you the location of the PCV valve. This is a 2006 Lexus IS 250. Now this is the cover. You just have to remove this cover. Now to the right of the engine, coming from the front, you can see right here, if you look closely, there's a clamp over there. The hose has to come off first. So all you need to do is take that clamp off using a needle nose plier. Then you could remove the PCV valve hose just by pulling it off. There's a better dimension right there, you see? See, there's the hose. Above the clamp, you can see the hose. Once you twist those two pieces of metal together of the clamp, you could just lift up the hose, and then you could remove the PCV valve. Right under the clamp, you could see a bolt. That bolt is actually part of the PCV valve itself. You just have to turn that bolt counterclockwise, and that's how you remove the PCV valve.